Oblique surfaces are inclined surfaces that slant at an angle to front, top, and side planes, unlike inclined planes which only slant in one direction. This is an inclined plane, only in one direction, and this is in more than one direction, as you can see here. Oblique surfaces are used to create unique shapes, and a lot of products you see today are obviously unique in shape, so they utilize these oblique surfaces often. In multi-view drawings, before you sketch your isometric, you'll notice that all the oblique shapes are foreshortened and do not look true to size, so you have to be careful. And when selecting which surfaces are oblique, you can see that they are in every single view. We're going to be looking at picture P430, and this is the multi-view drawing. And when drawing your isometric, obviously you're going to need your straight edge to make sure all of your lines are straight, an eraser because everyone makes a mistake, and a pencil because you need a pencil to draw. This is the object we'll be looking at, and the easiest thing to do when drawing your oblique surfaces, well, shapes with oblique surfaces, is to look and draw the normal surfaces first. So this is what our final product is going to be, but we're going to draw it separately. So first you want to take this normal surface. I always start with the front view, and you want to draw that one out. So make sure you count all your boxes right too. Again, everyone makes mistakes. Okay, so there's your one normal surface. And then if you look at your other view, you can see that there's another normal surface, which is this surface right here. So we're going to go ahead and draw this one too. As you can see, there's the slant here. That just shows that there's going to be an incline. So just be careful for that. So I'll start with the bottom first because that's a straight line. And then I'll go up the 3 to demonstrate this line. Then over line. And then, as you can see, where your slant is where this point connects to this point. So you just go ahead and you can draw that in. Okay. Next, you want to try to look and see if there's any other surfaces. So you can see that right here, there's a change in depth, which means that there's probably going to be another flat surface, which, as you can see, is this surface right here. So I'm going to assume that this is also a flat surface, which you can see because it does not show up in any of the other views, and you can also see it right here. So I will draw those two surfaces in. So I'm going to be drawing this, then this edge represents another vertical surface, and then this surface. remember to make sure you count your dots, well, your lines, to make sure that everything is dimensioned the right way, or else your picture will end up looking very weird. Okay, now we can see that all we really have left is oblique surfaces. So we have this oblique surface, this oblique surface, and this oblique surface. So when drawing those in, I'm going to start with this one first because it looks the easiest, because all we'll have to do is connect this point to this point. And after drawing that line, you can see that this surface definitely does look oblique. It's unique in shape and direction. And now the best bet to probably go is to the next one, which is this one. And you'll be connecting this point to this point, as you can see in this drawing, how it goes 2 up, and then only back here, it's only 1 up, which makes sense. 1 here, 2 here. And finally, all we have to do is this oblique surface, which, as you can see, only requires you to connect these two. And as you can see, all of these definitely look like they have an incline and are definitely unique in direction and shape. Afterwards, you want to go back and look at your multi-view again to make sure that everything adds up.